Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a newsletter subscribe form to your WordPress site using Mailchimp, with a focus on seamless integration with the Nesark theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking sign-up form that connects directly with your Mailchimp audience, helping you grow your email list and engage visitors, and you won't need to write a single line of code. Let's get started by installing the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin, often referred to as MC4WP. This plugin is widely recommended because it gives you more control over styling and works beautifully with modern WordPress themes like Nesark. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're new to this, just remember your dashboard is the control room for your website, where you manage everything from posts to plugins. Once you're in, look on the left side menu and click on Plugins. Then select Add New. Now in the search field that appears, type Mailchimp for WordPress. You should see it pop up pretty quickly. It's popular and highly rated. Click Install Now. The button will change to Activate, so click that too. This might take a few seconds, so no worries if you see a little spinning wheel. With the plugin activated, you'll notice a new Mailchimp menu item has appeared in your dashboard sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Mailchimp, then Settings. In order to connect your site to Mailchimp, the plugin needs an API key. An API key is like a secure password that lets your website talk to your Mailchimp account. Open a new browser tab and log into your Mailchimp account, then click Account. Navigate to Extras and select API keys if you don't see a key listed. Just click Create a Key. Mailchimp will generate one for you instantly. Now copy the key, flip back to your WordPress dashboard, and paste it into the MC4WP settings field. Hit Save Changes, and your site is now securely linked to Mailchimp. Next, it's time to build your actual form. In your dashboard, find Mailchimp and select Forms. Here you can customize everything. Which fields people need to fill out, the messages they see after signing up, and even compliance settings like double opt-in. Don't rush this part. Think about what information is essential for your newsletter. Sometimes less is more. Just asking for an email address can improve sign-up rates. If you want to add other fields like first name, you can do that here too. Once you're happy with your form, the plugin will give you a shortcode, which looks something like MC4WP form ID equals X. This shortcode is your golden ticket. You can use it to display the subscribe form anywhere on your site. If you want to add your newsletter to a specific page or blog post, simply edit that page or post, add a shortcode or custom HTML block, and paste in your shortcode. It's really that simple. The form will show up wherever you place the shortcode, fitting right into the design of your Nesark theme and keeping things looking professional. Alternatively, if you'd rather have your form in the sidebar or footer so it's always visible, WordPress widgets make that easy. Go to Appearance, then Widgets. You'll find the Mailchimp sign-up form widget available. Just drag it to your desired sidebar or footer area. The Nesark theme typically offers flexible widget locations, so you have plenty of options for good visibility. Hit Save when it's live. So that's it. You've now added a Mailchimp-powered newsletter subscribe form to your WordPress site. With styling that matches your Nesark theme and advanced features like double opt-in for privacy compliance. Growing your email list doesn't have to be complicated, and you've just set up a key tool to nurture your community. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. And subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.